up food. I got some Spam and I got some eggs because that's all I have right now. Ah! Seasoned it with some garlic, umami mushroom seasoning, some pepper, and then just whatever the flavor is of the Spam. This is not real Spam in a sense. This is the Dollar Tree luncheon meat because we ballin' on that much of a budget, and also it's like $4 to $5 a can for Spam now. It used to be 99 cents. Finish up them eggs.